In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Canva image in high quality. If you've finished designing something in Canva and you want it to look crisp, clear, and professional after downloading, this process is very simple. The key is choosing the right export settings so your final image keeps as much quality as possible. Start by opening your design in Canva. Make sure you're on the project you want to export, and take a quick moment to confirm that everything looks exactly the way you want before downloading. This is helpful because the downloaded file will reflect whatever is currently in your design. Next, go to the top right corner of the Canva editor and click Share. This opens the menu where Canva gives you different ways to send, publish, or export your project. From that drop-down menu, find and select Download. This will open the file export options, which is where you can control the quality of the image you're about to save. Now look for the file type drop-down and choose the format that works best for your needs. If you want the best image quality, choose PNG. This is usually the best option for graphics, social media designs, presentations, and anything where sharpness really matters. If you want a smaller file size instead, choose JPG. JPG is useful when you need the file to take up less storage space or upload more quickly, but it may not look quite as sharp as PNG. If the option is available in your Canva export settings, increase the size slider to export your image at a higher resolution. A larger size means more pixels, which usually gives you a cleaner and more detailed result. Also, under the quality setting, select High. This helps Canva generate the best possible version of your design for download. Once all of those settings are in place, click Download. Canva will begin exporting your image, and after a moment the file will save to your device. And that's it. Your Canva image is now downloaded in high quality. As a quick tip, if image clarity is your top priority, PNG combined with a higher size setting is usually the safest choice. On the other hand, if you're sharing something quickly online and want a smaller file, JPG can still work well. Follow these settings each time you export, and you'll consistently get better looking results from your Canva designs.